Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the format tab or format tool which is available in the home menu. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, and Statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So here I have the hypothetical data, and you can see the height of row is uneven. So now we use the option available in format, that is auto fit row height. Now we can use auto fit row height to adjust the height of a row to fit its content. So I have selected the data, and now I'm clicking on auto fit row height. So you can see the height of the rows. All rows are already auto fitted to its content. I'm selecting the entire data again, go to format tab, and now I will use auto fit column width. Now we can use auto fit column width to automatically adjust the width of the column to its content. Select this. You can see the width is automatically adjusted. Now suppose I want particular width. So go to format, click on width, and here you can actually define the width. So I'm writing 20. So my width is 20 points and click OK. So in that sense, you can actually telling the Excel that the width of these two columns should be 20 points. So in this way, we can actually equalize the width of each and every column. Now suppose you can also define row height. So go to row height and I'm writing 16. So now we have the equal height for each row, and that is 16 points. So this is how we can use the format tab which is available in the home menu to adjust the row height and column width. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.